Assalam. Good morning, good day, good afternoon, and good night to you guys out there. How are you guys doing this morning? Hope everything is good with all of us all around the world. We give thanks and praise to God who created all of us and give us good health and strength and live to see a next day again. That's me and all of you out there. Say thank God, Alhamdulillah. We life and we kicking. Alright guys, big up yourself, all my watchers, subscribe my channel and share and blah blah blah, you know what I mean. And all of us stay healthy. Keep yourself healthy always. Every day try to do something that's good, because every day sometime we did something wrong, we don't know with the eyes or with tongue. But you know what, the best of it, if we recognize it and we do a little bit good for the day, Alhamdulillah, that can cover that sin that we get involved with. So not intentionally, not every time you do intentionally sin, sometimes you don't know with your eyes, your tongue, you know, you say things that is no good. But anyway guys, a little bit of good, someone crossing the street, try to help them, you know, with something, or give someone something to eat. All that is part of small good. Guys, today it's me and the boss lady. We're in the Bronx, you know, and a lot of us maybe don't know there is a ferry that take you from the Bronx, from View Avenue straight into Manhattan. So we're gonna go and take that ferry, and we're gonna go into Manhattan at the Javits Center. They have a boat show, guys. You're gonna enjoy this. There's over 100 boat, different design. So I'm gonna take you in that step as we go, so you're gonna see and enjoy the boat show. I have a day after day, so I could go, you know, $18 to get in, which is not bad. So alhamdulillah. So guys, you're gonna go with me, all you guys in Canada, Uncle Gold's son, you know, my friend. We've been back home in them days, man, growing up. The whole of Blackbush Passe, especially Backstreet, all the guys from Backstreet, big up yourself, Canada. And those two girls in England, our friend that we all living in Suriname, you know, with my kids them, you all grew up together. So hey, how you guys doing in England out there? You get? Alright, as I go by, I'm gonna keep update myself and big up more review guys as we go. Alright, thank you. Yes, we on View Avenue going now. And Yancy and Fancy, big up yourself and say hi to your brother. I don't know what part of this world he is. Last time I hear that he's coaching a women's soccer team, which is good. Keep it up, brother. Do good. Alright, so we're on our way traveling, going to, this is View Avenue itself. So we're gonna go to the end where we're gonna get the ferry from there. That's we got a boat. There's a boat over there. This is the pier, guys. I can't get to show you too much now when I come back, I guess, because we got a hard to catch this boat. Alright guys, we're on our way. I can just show you the boat in the back of me. You know. So cool. Ferry, this is my first drive on the boat. You know that? Bridge. It's a beautiful bridge. It's a lengthy bridge. It's on top of the boat, man. Cool, brother. Yes? Nice traveling, nice little drop in the summer, man. In the summer, you would love it. It's cold, it's breezy, and it's cold, but it's good. Love it. It's me here, guys. Yes. Into Manhattan, man. Boy. It's cold, it's cold. It's windy. Look at this, middle of the East River, brother. This is what Manhattan look like, guys. Cold, I got what I'm saying. Oh, look at the speed of this thing, man. Whoa. Oh, man, man. It's like one of them jet boats in Florida, boy. They're taking you to Bartica. Boy. Oh boy, I didn't realize that we were going that speed, huh? That's the Jenkins 1500. Yep. That take you from Manhattan to Queens. Over there, I think it's Long Island City over there. Long Island City over there. Manhattan is over there. Guys, over here on the other side is Long Island City. It's not in Long Island, but this is called Long Island City over there. You got some water bridge over there. Guys, we are out. Yes, ma'am. Hey, Boss Lady, welcome to Manhattan. I know you're acquainted with Manhattan so much. Guys, this one take you this other ferry over here. You can take this one and go into Jersey, New Jersey. It's so cool. That you don't have to drive in those traffic anymore. You get stuck in those traffic. You're out.
Yeah. So that'll be the East River route, and that goes as far as...
Wow, look, you got the helicopter over there now. Look guys, we're at the bottom, the highway on top. Look at the kind of steel they make this thing with. So it's a beauty, man. It's the next one, taxi. I think we got the cab coming there to take you at the Javits Center. It says raise your hand and get a yellow cab and you go.
Side of life that doesn't necessarily have to revolve around grinding all the time. You can have a little bit more fun and relax, and I think that's really good for our mental health and just being happy in general.
This is a once in a generation.
Hold on, no.
Huh?
No, how are you? You're here at the Javits Center. Guys, this Manhattan himself. Look at those buildings. Wow. Guys, enjoy yourself. You can't come to see it. I'll bring it live to you in Blackbush, man. Alright. It's beautiful. Is this cool, right? Look at the mini Manhattan. We're gonna grab a cup of coffee and then we're gonna get to the boat show. That's it, guys. We're in the Javits Center Inn, where right back there is the boats. And take you over there and show you all the boats, man. Look at this place. Look at this place, how big. It's huge. It's beautiful. Right back there, all the boats. I think here where they do the car show too. We gotta wait, we gotta purchase our ticket and then we're gonna go inside. But look. Oh man. Zoom it in a little bit. Boss lady looking for ticket. Boss lady, pull out the mask and give a smile. Yeah.
Oh, it's a happy ending. It's a happy ending. There's liable to give you two. Do you have to pay? Oh, no, no, no. Progressive lets you keep your dough. So sit back, relax, and let it go. Soon may Progressive come to protect your vote for a fair little sum. One day when the lottery is done, you'll vote carefree like a true captain. Thank you, Thank you, Thank you. All right.
How you say hi? How you
You
say
got my
hi?
good side, eh?
Yeah, let me
All
see.
right, yeah. Is that good for you?
Oh, yeah.
Is this how you paint a portrait?
Oh, I got you.
Get
All
my
right.
good side. Get my good side.
No, that's the stern.
I got it in the
want
top.
the bow.
You want
Give
the
him
bow? Or the stern?
Bow or stern.
Bow? Stern.
He'll put it out there
Whatever
for
you
you.
I
prefer.
am your customer.
What's that?
I am your customer.
Oh, yes, so lovely.
I myself am a fan.
Yes, recognize the true progressive fan right
There you go.
Right, that's
Thank you
a
so
progressive person.
That's
if
the
you know
boss
what I
lady.
mean.
Yeah, that's great.
This is the boss lady.
He's the boss man. I
And he's the
yeah,
boss.
That's right.
That's right. So we got our skipper and our first mate. That's
Here
how
we
it
go,
is.
man.
All right. There's
Fellow
got-
Take care,
friends,
bro. Enjoy.
Very
Thank you.
nice to meet you.
Yes.
Yep. So you're gonna buy a boat today now?
No,
Sure.
I had asked for a boat 40 years ago.
What did you say?
I had asked you for a boat 40 years ago.
I got one in Guyana. You gotta get a paddle. Oh my goodness. Look at the engine here, brother. Wow. Finally in the... Oh, check this out. Ooh. Oh yeah. 600. 600, brother. Ooh.
Yeah, I put on like 18-foot whaler.
All this is engine in here. Guys, check this dashboard out. Super cool, brother. I like this jet ski, brother. Oh my god. Look at this baby. Ooh. Uh-huh. Beautiful. Put it in black bush. Trench, you think you're gonna survive for a long time?
I gotta tell you, Robert, this is. Well, I want to know. Hey, yes.
There's some fish in here.
Yeah, I'm everywhere. About 10 inches right there walking in.
Go fishing with this. Oh, perfect, right? Okay, go fishing with this. Yes, guys, we gotta take off shoes to go up. Let me get this bag. Leave this bag over here. I'll hold it. Oh my God. Isn't this cool, brother? How about if we buy this boat and go in the Mararo River and go and catch some GILBACKA, guys? What do you think? It's gonna work? Look at the one over there too. And then we take it to Blackbush River. Now they want to take a seat in there. Go down here. It's the front. Yeah, I want you to drive the boat. Yeah. What do you think? What's up, Captain? What do you think, Captain? You good?
Not to Georgetown.
Listen, you know how much it is?
Not to Georgetown.
Yeah, you know how much it is? $1 million. Come on, guys, we could buy this. We could buy this for $1 million. I just gotta go in Guyana and go and bring the money from Guyana. $1 million Guyana, I guess, because it sounds crazy, right? $1 million. Look at this. Oh my God! Look at the beauty of this baby. Now. Good boat, guys. Oh my. Oh.
There's no boarding without a salesperson.
Oh, okay. $250. I'm gonna have close up, but hey, look, it's gonna fly in the water, man. These are for 600,000. The other side though was for $1 million. It was cool, man. 425, 425. Oh, it's cool. So look at this one that lights up. Oh boy. Huh. Bring a couple million Guyana dollars, but you can buy them? No, heck no, no way. I wanna get. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4. 450. Yes. This is dynamic. Oh man, this will fly in the water. Yep. Guys, you buy this and put them in Guyana and catch back trap people, you know. Venezuela, yes. They outwaste anything. I know. Lady. Okay, I want to go find the price for this boat. Alright guys, you are thinking about this, so I'm taking the boss lady up.
I thought that was the entrance, but I didn't want to mess with that.
See. Oh,
That's why I got 3 inches.
so cool.
Just take a screenshot and then, yep. I just need to, okay, how many do you need?
Well, boss lady, what do you think about this?
Storage areas at the foot of the bed make this a perfect retreat. The 380 SSC incorporates fast-tech multi-step hull technology with a molded structural grid to deliver the sure-footed performance that is a Formula hallmark. No other 38-foot full-cabin bow rider can boast a full-width cockpit experience with true overnight capabilities for 4. Everything you want in performance and adventure awaits you in the Formula 380.
Yo, can I feel like a millionaire for once? I'm gonna go hold that steer over there. Yeah, man. At least 18 bucks could give me all of this to see. Why not? Guys, look at this. Wow. This is a beauty. At least for once. At least for once. Give me a couple minutes to be a millionaire. What do you say? Love at this. Look at this, man. The Mararo Riverbank and some GILBACKA. What do you say? Now, we got the radio. Let me go check downstairs. Let's go. Check his, watch your step.
You gotta buy a house and live inside.
This is your lift. You got this. Sit here. You got table. Yeah, what do you say?
This is your living room.
Get inside the boat. It's my yacht, you know. Check it out. I got a TV. I got a microwave. And look, I got a bed downstairs. See that? That's where you sleep. You got microwave. And what do you got in here? There's something in the bottom here, inside.
Hold on. I think this is your children, them okay.
Boss lady, feel like I'm in there one day, at least.
Hello?
You know,
Look
look.
where your pumpkin seed is. Look where your pumpkin seed do, Bellaroni.
Oh man. Gilbacka, brother. Boss lady, what you say? Gilbacka?
Ronnie?
Yep.
Look what pumpkin seed do, Ronnie.
We got the
I
sink.
didn't see the price of this one, but I see like you have for 479, 679, 999.
Yo, this baby is gonna fly. They're gonna fly in the water, man.
Maybe that little one over there.
Oh, beautiful! Oh my God, I never come to one like this before in my entire life, brother. I mean, having fun here. I'm enjoying it.
We need black here.
Yeah, oh, Black gonna love this. He is gonna love this, man. Let me see how close he can come. Boss lady, you look good over there. You got the checkbook, boss lady? You didn't walk with a checkbook? She gonna confirm it, you know, if you could ship to Guyana. You gotta find out, you gotta know. Maybe some rich guy in Guyana gonna see this and they're gonna ask me. You never know, right? Yeah. Oh, this one. Oh. And this is the 500?
This is our newest one. It's the 500.
Oh. And how much this go for?
I'd have to find out for you.
It depends on the length, right?
Right.
And this got the 4 engine too, same thing.
And these are the newest, the 600s.
600.
Yeah, it's the newest
1, 2,
engine.
3, 4. This baby fly, huh? This baby. Oh my God. Guys, we are finding out about the 380. This one. And they put the fishing hook and the rod and everything on top of this. Let me take you in this one. This is a different one. But this one is available. All the rest sold or they got the bill. This one didn't light up, so. Same seat, same thing, but this his move. And you shut down with the back. Here's boss, Ferry. Exercise yourself. It's like a Coast Guard boat. And this baby, they're flying. Oh. If you touch, you buy.
This is the, for fishing, I think this is the better.
That's to pull out if you fasten or break ice or something. Look, this is the down one, yeah. They build different one for fishing too. They build them with the rod at the back. You see those?
What I read about.
I don't know, man. They don't have nothing for $1 million Guyana. Oi. Yeah. Let's see, Boss Lady is finding out something. Look like Boss Lady want to buy a boat.
Guyana, South
Oh, no. I mean, for
Here?
New
Dave.
Jersey, New York.
Dave, I'm Joe.
Both New York and New Jersey.
You have a house in New Jersey?
House?
Yeah. You live in New Jersey?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So we're the largest water-rate black dealer in New Jersey.
In New Jersey.
Right.
Yeah, he was kind of helpful. He was giving me input, so I don't want to get anybody.
I can't tell you. If you say New Jersey, it's something about
Yeah.
I see. My daughter lives in New Jersey, so she could be the buyer instead.
Just sell the boat to the daughter.
Buy the boat to the daughter.
That's fine.
Molly, you get in the boat, girl. Your mom decide to buy a boat for you, right, sir?
So you like fishing? Is that the idea?
Oh, I love fishing, man. That's me. If I take this in my country, next 2 months you're not gonna see the color of it. You're gonna see all mud and full of GILBACKA.
This is a combination, okay? This is
The combination.
yeah, pleasure and fishing, okay? Because it has some amenities on there for a family, where the center console is more dedicated to fishing by itself.
Oh, okay. But you get the pole where you could put the rod and everything?
Yeah, yeah. See, come up the sides here.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Okay, you got there. Plus, across the back. Then on the gunnel there, you got some too.
Very good, very good.
Is the shoe off here? Or I could go with my shoe on?
Pardon?
Can I go with my shoe on?
Sure.
All right, let's take a look at this one inside. No problem, right?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the hole that you put the rod. What's the price on this?
See?
So this is the drive. This can be my captain.
Right.
This is the co-captain.
I'm gonna be the captain. You're gonna be the co-captain.
Okay, there's your.
Oh,
Oh, that's my
that's so cool.
Bella.
You get a bathroom there for the.
Isaac, that's where you're gonna go.
You hear that, Bella? It's your granddaughter, you know. She makes sure you get something for the granddaughter. Yeah, look how cool it look. You can never
now,
tell.
Now I got what you were talking about. Okay, so can I have one of your cards?
Oh,
And what's the price this going
Or
for?
your number?
Jerry.
Jerry?
Man, I'm asking price, but I don't know. I think I gotta go to Guyana and bring some Guyana money. I hope they accept that. I don't think so, boy. You know, like the one is $1 million, and say $1 million Guyana, you only 5,000. So we still need to have 995,000 USC. That's ready. Make up your mind. If you buy this boat, you're gonna give me to go in Guyana. I'll catch a lot of GILBACKA with it. Yeah, you trust me, buddy. You see those cushions? Give me a month in the river. We're gonna put some other letter right over it, yes. Because I know what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be all mud. All back here is gonna full of GILBACKA, you know, Kuras, Kofom, Congo fish and them thing there. What about, you can't go with it to Hassa because you ain't gotta go through Kanji Creek, which is good. I love it, man. Guys, I see Boss really giving the name there, and they're gonna contact you. So it look like me gotta go back to work. I can't retire. Oh my God! I'm gonna take this to Florida, man. I can't retire. I gotta go back to work. Boss lady, you know what you're doing, man? Cause I want to retire, okay?
Well,
I want to retire with a boat too, yes, in the river, which is not bad.
I think this.
You want accessory, parts.
Here's data. Here's horizontal beam width. Vertical, all that stuff. That's why you get the home screen. Yeah, and honestly, you
Like I said, I don't know.
Yes, you could get the whole dashboard to buy. And probably you could build your own stuff too. Who knows? Well, guy, how about this? Well, something like this you can afford, right? Yeah. This is gonna fit my budget, man. $2,599 for the engine. And the RAV boat is like $4,395. Oh. Smaller engine.
It's about 80 pounds, plus the motor.
Yeah, this is the place we gotta come. Hmm? I mean, me, 3.5. Still very a lot of money.
What's the, that's the width, what's the length? Oh, that is.
Lady, what are you buying? Knife? Knife for cleaning the fish? Wow. Look at blades here, brother. Uh-huh. Oh, man. $210. $195 for this little one. See the price yourself, man. Special stuff. Oh, these are
1060 steel.
25.
There's your belt loop right there.
Guys, a little bit of history of this place. Hey, you get boat show, you got car show, and when the pandemic was in the peak, this whole place turned into a hospital, and they have COVID patient full. This whole thing here, and the boat was not far from here. So if here was like too much and different, depends on your COVID sickness, they take you and they put you in the boat, and some people they keep right here. So this place always they do Halloween, sort of, right? They do different thing here. Depends on the different time of the year. All right. Wow. Let me see this. Guys, you see that? See? If you got wrapped up in strings, it's rope. Imagine that rope, the size of the rope, and the propeller is cut in it. So that's the kind of propeller you need in your boat. Alright guys, we're gonna get out of here. What's this? A rafting boat too. Oh, look at this baby. This is it. And we're gonna go back to take our water taxi and back to the Boogie Down Bronx. Alright. Yamaha 300. And it's the V6 4.2L. Oh, mama. Look at these big bad boys, them. Those are the big bad boys, them. Yep. Man, you get so much fun here with boat. Oh my God. Jet ski world, boy. You know, you got this to 63 beach. Oh yes. This baby, you can fly, probably end up in Suriname. You never know, yeah? Mm-hmm. Total different one.
These are Yamaha.
Yeah. Yamaha built. This one. That's the one. Oh, that's the one.
Go back.
You video me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, whatever. Gonna cut them off. Beautiful waterfront, man. Yes, guys, we're waiting for our boat to go back into the Bronx. I got the building more up now. Let's go across it.
Chilled out for a bit.
Cool, nice. I want to show you some more bridges and then I'm gonna peace you out. Yes, boss lady, we out of here. Beautiful Manhattan. Good for a tour. Yeah. Check out the boats out and everything here. Guys, that's the Whitestone Bridge. I don't forget to show you earlier. Take you into the, that is Queens right there. That's a real beautiful bridge. And let's take you into the Bronx. And that's it for... Yes guys, that's it. That's my little tour. Yep, enjoy my video and subscribe on my video, share it. You know, I try to bring the best to you. You know, I know plenty guys, you know, back home, so at least you get a first-hand look of Manhattan. And to my viewers here in New York, I'm sorry, in New York, guys, I know you've been there before. Not all of us, but enjoy my video, share all over the world. I say assalam, good afternoon, good night, and good morning. Take care, guys. Peace out.